Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Scorpio. So watch this video if you're a Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, then the link is again in the description. Now let's see messages for Scorpio. So give me the general message for Scorpio first, and then we'll see the love messages, okay? All right, so give me the general message for Scorpio. What is happening in Scorpio's life these days? Wow. Once shows to me that things are moving in very quickly in your life. So if you feel that your life has been pretty stagnant and things are just not moving, then with the 8 of Wands, I see a fast moving communication coming towards you, which is bringing in some sort of good news. So if you had applied for a job and nothing was coming in, then I see with the 8 of Wands, a job news is coming in. For others of you, if it's a relationship thing and you think that your person has not been communicating, then I see that is going to happen. I also see that some sort of truth is going to be revealed. Like you already had an intuition maybe that somebody likes you, or you already had an intuition that you are going to get this job or something. Like you already had a very strong sense of intuition about this situation, and I see finally your intuition is proved right and things are moving in. Some of you might also be traveling somewhere and it is going to be really, really good. I also see that there was a false sense of notion about a situation. Like you kind of knew that somebody was playing games with you, and I see that person is going to be exposed. So be careful, somebody around you is going to be exposed that you already knew about. Okay, like you were waiting for this person to maybe confess you, or you were just waiting that their truth should come out, and I see that's going to happen. I also see that you are having some sort of sleepless nights regarding a situation. Then you don't have to, because I already said that a good news is coming in. So what is bothering you is not going to bother you as much. I see that you're putting an end to toxic cycles and patterns, and you're moving in into a happy future, and you're moving in fast. All right, so things are changing in your environment very, very quickly. Okay, and I see that somebody is going to be exposed as well. So yeah, like somebody who was playing dirty games and you already knew about them, and you were just waiting that I just hope that this person gets exposed. I see that person is going to get exposed. All right, now let's see messages for Scorpio in love. All right, so give me the present energy for Scorpio in love. What is happening? Fool card. Wow. So Scorpion, some of you, you're going to have options in love. I see you might already be having options in love, and it's like you are on the verge of starting something new. Yeah, you are definitely choosing. Now you might be choosing between two people or two situations, and I see it's like you are on the verge of starting something new. So I see a brand new opening is going to happen in your relationship. Now if it's a new person or a past person, we will see while we clarify, but I definitely see that something was very toxic. Maybe somebody was playing games with you, mind games. They were creating unnecessary drama in your life, which led to a very sudden ending with them. However, you're leaving all of that behind and you're moving towards something brand new. So yeah, something new, something full of optimism, full of happiness is about to start in your love life. Okay, and I see you will be having a choice. So maybe two people or two situations. This looks good, and right now you're just making plans about something. So you haven't decided which person you are going to go towards, but yeah, you're kind of making plans, and I see very soon the plans are going to be put into action. Okay, so what happened in the recent past with Scorpio in love? 6 of Wands and the Magician. So I see somebody was manipulating you. This person was also, like they maybe were talking to a lot of people. 6 of Wands as a blockage could be that somebody was talking to multiple people and they were not making a decision about you. I also see that they were always hiding things from you, because Magician is a person who hide things, right? And they're kind of fooling the audience, right? And we pay to get fooled in the magic shows. So yeah, like I see somebody was just trying to manipulate you. They were just trying to feed you something which was not true. Okay, and you had an intuition about it. So yeah, like who can fool a Scorpio? Nobody, right? So yeah, I see that a love was shown to you, but it was not really love, and it was full of manipulations, and you kind of walked away. However, walking away is a very difficult task for you because you got invested into this relationship with the Two of Cups. I see that you definitely had a lot of emotions, and that is why you're still contemplating whether you need to leave this behind or whether you should wait. All right, so some contemplation is going on. You are trying to walk away from a situation which is very difficult to be walked away from. Okay, and I see that this situation, past situation of yours, came to an end very abruptly. So you were not anticipating an ending, but somebody maybe got exposed and things just ended. Okay, what is happening now for Scorpio? King of Pentacles, you're looking for a stable connection. Some of you, you're looking for marriage. So it's like you walked away from a toxic situation. This is not physically toxic, but this is emotionally and mentally toxic. So I don't think that this person was abusive to you physically, but whoever you were dealing with in the recent past, this person was playing mind games with you. So yeah, this person came in with a lot of manipulations and a lot of mind games, all right? And you kind of had an intuition about them, that yes, I kind of know that this person is up to this, and you were proved right, or you will be proved right very soon. However, what you are looking forward to is marriage. Some of you, you're looking forward to maybe settle down, have somebody stable, get married, have kids, have family, and all of that. So yeah, that can happen. Some of you are also trying to buy a house maybe. So maybe you're putting in investment. See, Five of Pentacles. There is a situation that you're trying to walk away from, but it is very difficult. With the Five of Pentacles again, I see you're struggling, okay? You're struggling to leave something behind. And that could be a relationship with this fire sign or a water sign, or maybe a Gemini that you were having. So it's a one step forward, two step backward kind of situation that is happening for you. What is this that is bothering you so much mentally, Scorpio? I see you're looking forward to good times. So you are not stopping your life for this person, like whoever was playing games with you, you're not stopping your life for them, but then it is very difficult for you to move forward at the same time. So you are kind of having a battle within your own self. You're not able to decide whether walking away is the best thing or staying back is the best thing. Okay, what else? Ten of Swords. See, something just came down very abruptly, and this happened after maybe you caught them red-handed, or something was exposed about somebody's mask fell off, to be honest. Somebody's truth came out. Their mask fell off. They were just trying to play mind games with you and they got exposed. Who got exposed? Scorpio. Some of you, it was an air sign or another Scorpio that you were dealing with. However, I see that you guys dated back like a long time. So it was not like a fling kind of thing with them. You had a solid connection. And now when this person got exposed in this way, now you're like, fuck, I don't want to deal with anybody. So you're having major trouble moving past the situation. But the good thing is that you're not losing hope. So that's really good. Some of you, you're just trying to confine yourself and you're trying to work on your goals and career. You're making your career, your money a priority, okay? You're just trying to look onto new things that can happen in your life. So you're trying to divert your attention. And I see your heartbreak kind of made you very strong and very mature. So it's like you matured overnight, okay? Like this person made you grow up massively. King of Pentacles is somebody who's very mature, very stable, and very self-reliant, okay? This person does not want anybody. So maybe in the past you were just completely reliant on this person, like you were emotionally dependent on them, okay? Your happiness kind of came from this person, but when they abandoned you, so from Five of Pentacles, you directly rose to King of Pentacles status. Like you have expanded, elevated, evolved massively in this situation. Though it was painful, but yeah, see, you worked really hard to get yourself out of this toxicity, and you have worked hard to reach to a point of King of Pentacles status, which is very good. And I see that you are making your dreams come true. So yeah, you're like, you know how sometimes people have like a breakup glow. So you are having a breakup glow and you are achieving things in life. And you're working your ass off. Like you guys, some of you, you're working really hard. And you're very close to be having that breakthrough. So yeah, if if you have been working really hard and the breakthrough is not here yet, so your message is that it is coming in, a wish fulfillment, a massive wish fulfillment is coming in, but you just need to hold on to it a little longer. Okay, do not give up, because whatever you have been working hard for is very close, is closer than you anticipate. So don't give up just before the breakthrough, because 90% people give up before the breakthrough, right? And then they end up living the mediocre life. So you don't do that. This relationship burdened the shit out of you, isn't it, Scorpio? It did. But the good thing is that you have a very beautiful beginning coming for you. See, again, the Fool card is a new beginning. Two of Wands is you contemplating whether you need this new beginning or not, and you're making plans. And we have the Ace of Cups. So there could be a fire sign, Aquarius, or a water sign that's coming towards you. Now, signs are not important, but some people ask, so I'm just telling. But I see that you kind of had to die in the process. Some of you, you've gone through some major transformation that completely changed you. However, there's like a brand new beginning and a very victorious beginning coming into your life. So yeah, you will not be able to recognize yourself after you go through all of this. Like, you will be completely changed person, much stable, much mature, and yeah, like heading towards a lot of happiness. So universe is making you very victorious. I see you are going to win whatever you get yourself into. So if it's a competition, yes. If it's a relationship, yes. And I see very beautiful new beginnings coming for you, not only in love, but in personal life as well. Seven of Pentacles. See, whatever you had been working hard for, you are finally ready to reap the rewards. So I see that there was something, a goal of yours, or maybe a project, or I don't know what it was. For different people, it's going to be different. So it was like you were sowing the seeds and you were doing all the hard work, working your ass off, and you were just waiting for that to happen, like you to get the fruits of it. And I see finally the good news is coming. The card gets repeated. There's some sort of celebration that's coming in for you. Some of you, it's a relationship. And for others of you, it's just that your money, your work, or whatever you were working for, finally it's coming in. See, 9 of Wands. You are going to win it, but just do not give up, all right? Because you guys are very close, and I see you are tempted to give up, so don't do that. When it comes to love, however, I see that you are optimistic and you're trying to have a new beginning. However, you're also very reluctant because you do not want to get your heart broken, so don't block yourself, all right? I see there's like a inner battle going on within yourself, where sometimes you tell yourself that, okay, I'm ready for love, but the other days you're like, no, I don't want love. So there's like an inner conflict happening. Some of you also be very sure whose advice you take, because you might just involve a lot of other people, and you will be taking a lot of people's advice, and then you will just make the situation very messy, all right? That's not a good idea. Some of you, there's some sort of financial abundance, like a massive breakthrough is about to happen in your money situation. Your money looks really good, your status look really good. So I see some sort of hike, some sort of financial abundance breakthrough happening for you. Also, family card has come in twice. So I see that some of you will be spending time with family, or you are maybe buying a home for your family. I don't know what you're doing, but yeah, some sort of investment is going to go really well. Okay, what's the advice for Scorpio here? Page of Sword. Your advice is that you're being watched. So be very careful what you put out in the social media, or what you tell other people about your plans, because there could be somebody who's sneaking in, and this person is keeping tabs on you. So if you do not want somebody to create unnecessary trouble for you, so do not give a lot of information out, all right? And also don't panic, because you know, every time you level up and you go to a new level, there's definitely a sense of insecurity, because you are changing, right? You're shedding your old patterns, your old identity, and you're embodying a new identity, and that fear or the anxiety is very normal. So do not panic. You might be a little worried, but take that leap, all right? Because things are aligning very beautifully for you. Okay, some of you, I would also ask you to be a little careful while driving, because I saw the Knight of Swords cards. So yeah, you might just unnecessarily get into some sort of accident and then hurt yourself, so be very careful. Ace of Wands. We have, I think, all the 4 aces here, and I don't know which reading it was. I think it was Taurus. Some of you might be dealing with a Taurus. I see brand new beginnings in your life. So it's like every section of your life is having a new beginning. See, so in the physical, you know, your physical life, I mean your health and your looks, With the Ace of Pentacle, it could be your money. With the Ace of Cups, it's relationship. And Ace of Swords is whichever competition you get yourself into, or whatever situation you get yourself into, you win. So we have all the 4 aces here, which shows definitely that your life is turning, and turning really fast, because aces are very fast moving energies, and I see things are aligning for you very beautifully, much more beautifully than you anticipated. All right, give me message for Scorpio. What is happening for my Scorpions? Let's make a fresh start, isn't it? Right? We already have 4 aces here, which definitely talks about fresh start. So I see somebody might want to be having a fresh start with you, and in general also your life is going to have a fresh start. I mean, this is so beautiful. Same message, right? So I see a lot of things are changing in your life, and a lot of things are going to start fresh. Okay, what else? So we have 2 messages. Can you be patient with me? So somebody wants you to be patient with them. I'm sorry for not being there when you needed me the most, isn't it? Like somebody abandoned you, and now they are sorry that they were not for you. They were not there for you, and now they want you to be patient with them. So you can decide whether you want to be patient or not, because right now I see you are trying to contemplate whether to wait for them or whether to move forward. So yeah. All right. Give me message for Scorpio. Free yourself. Some of you need to free yourself. As I said, mentally you're just creating unnecessary blocks. So you need to free yourself. All right, mentally. Okay. Playfulness, and we have passion. So I see some of you that you need to, indulge in some light-hearted energy, be more playful. All right, you're just trying to take life very seriously, and you're burdening yourself. As I said, you might be working really hard on something to the point that you're causing yourself a burnout. So maybe just try to relax, take breaks. And I see passion. Some of you, I see some good times coming in. You might be connecting with somebody who you are going to have a very beautiful chemistry with. Okay, so it's going to be a lot of intimacy, a lot of passion between both of you, that spark. So yeah, some of you are connecting with someone who's like a really good solid commitment connection coming towards you, which is going to be full of passion. Somebody is very passionate about you, like in a good way. All right, and I see some good intimacy coming in, and you will have some playful times ahead. So yeah, that's like a good message, and I see a lot of things changing for you. Things are taking turns for you very beautifully, much more in a much more better way than you anticipated. So that's cool. All right, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, then you know that you have to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I don't have to tell you, right? You guys know, right? You know, right? You know, right? All right. I will see you in the next video. You guys take care, stay safe, bye.